Right, let's suppose we have a raw data set and we're looking to make a Box-and-Whisker plot, otherwise known as a box plot, with our TI83 or TI84 calculator. So if we have this data, the first thing we want to do is put it in as a list. I've already done that, so I went to Stat and then Edit. I put those numbers in my list. So those should be ready to go. And then we see above y equals there's stat plot. So if we hit second y equals, we can hit enter for that first plot. Its default is going to be off, so we want to hit enter for on, and then we want to select the type. So use your arrows to go over to the Box-and-Whisker. So there are two different versions of this. One, notice the one on the right here just has box with whiskers, that's why it's called that. But the other has a few dots off to the side, so that's in case of outliers. So if we select that, then we can go to plot this. What I might suggest is to click on zoom. Oh, sorry, one other piece here is that for that plot one, make sure that your list is correctly chosen. So I put mine into list 1, so X list is list 1. Okay, so then let's click zoom, and if we scroll down to number 9, it'll say zoom stat. So it's going to adjust. It's not like an XY plane. It's going to adjust according to whatever sort of statistical visual you're trying to show. So hit zoom stat, enter, and then we'll see our Box-and-Whisker plot. Now the Box-and-Whisker plot should give us a sense of the data. So the median here in the middle is closer to the upper quartile Q3 than it is to the lower quartile Q1, for example. But without having values on the axes, it's a little bit confusing. So you can hit the trace button and notice down here it says max X is 50, or sorry, min X is 56. And then if you use the right arrow, it'll give you Q1, then the median, then Q3, then the max. So this can help you both get a sense of what the Box-and-Whisker should look like, but then what those values from the 5-number summary are. And another way to go through this, if you're using a Microsoft product, is you can click on Insert, and then there will be these 3 bars. It'll say add a chart. So if you want to go down to Box-and-Whisker, it'll have some options there for types of Box-and-Whisker plots that you can use. So if that's something you need for an assignment that you want to do not by hand but a little bit more formally, and then you can copy and paste that, that's a great way to do it.